Caring for your hair extension is super important, especially when the season change. If you don't know how to take care of your hair extension in each season, your hair extension will be terribly damaged. So, this question. Hi guys, Justin is here, and in this video let's talk about caring for hair extension in different seasons. In the hot and sunny days of summer, keep your hair extension safe by avoiding too much sun exposure. If you are swimming, make sure to tie your hair up to prevent tangles. Use a gentle conditioner to keep them soft and shiny. When falls come around, leaves aren't the only thing falling. Be mindful of windy days. A loose braid or ponytails can help prevent tangles. Also, try to cover your hair when it is rainy to avoid freezing. A little extra care goes a long way. Winter brings chilly days, and your hair extension needs extra love. Cold air can make hair extension dry, so moisturize them regularly. Use a sulfate-free shampoo to keep them clean without being too harsh. Avoid too much heat styling to prevent damage, and always protect them from the cold with a hat or a scarf. Spring is a time for renewal, and your hair extension deserves that too. Trim any spilled ends to keep them looking fresh. With flowers blooming and allergies in the air, be cautious of pollens. A gentle wash can keep your extension pollen-free and look great. No matter the season, always be gentle when brushing. Start from the bottom and work your way up to avoid tangles. Use a wide flute comb and a special extension brush. And don't forget to tie your hair up when sleeping to prevent knots. Regular check-ins with your stylist is a must. They can make sure your hair extensions stay in good shape and give you tips for each season. Remember, a little care in every season goes a long way with keeping your hair extension looking fabulous. Don't forget to use subscribe and join our fabulous communities. Until next time, stay beautiful. Thank you and see you again.